First we will make an hexagon in the middle, then duplicate it and rotate it, and simply place it to the top of the first hexagon. Then we will duplicate it again and put it on the second point. And we will keep on doing this around this hexagon. After that we will select the pen tool and close all these areas. And make strokes from one corner to another. Then select everything, select the shape builder tool and combine all the squares. Now we will simply select the squares and apply colors on them. And our rhomboid is ready now. I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like and share.